You've seen it. A $300 designer blouse that somehow still looks frumpy. And then there's that woman in a $40 top, looking like she just stepped off a Milan runway. So what's the real difference? It's not the label or the price tag, it's avoiding those 10 tops mistakes that instantly cheapen your look after 60 and how to fix them easily and affordably. And the 7th mistake, it's aging you by 10 years. But the fix is totally free and so worth it. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, tops that are too tight or too loose. Let's be real. Finding the perfect fit after 60 is tricky, and most of us are getting it wrong. I see women squeezing into blouses that pull across the bust or drowning in oversized tops that swallow their frame entirely. When your top skims your body without clinging or billowing, everything else falls into place. You slip on a silk blouse that follows your curves naturally, tuck it into well-fitted trousers, and suddenly you look like you stepped out of a high-end boutique. Stand sideways in front of a full-length mirror. Your top should create a smooth line from shoulder to hip, no pulling, no bunching. This isn't just about clothes. It's about respecting yourself enough to wear pieces that celebrate who you are today. Mistake number 2, choosing fabrics that look cheap. Stop buying polyester blouses. They're shiny, static disasters that scream discount rack from across the room. They're not doing you any favors. Neither are synthetic fabrics that pill after one wash or create static electricity. Your style deserves better. The secret is in natural fibers and quality blends. They are your best friends. Cotton, silk, linen, and high-quality ponte knits have weight, drape beautifully, and they age beautifully. Just like you. Choose fabrics that feel substantial in your hands. The Italian women know this secret. Fabric that moves with you, not against you, is worth every penny. Picture this. You're wearing a crisp cotton shirt with perfectly pressed seams, and people immediately assume it cost 3 times what you paid. Mistake number 3, wearing overly busy, flowery blouses. Have you noticed how women in their 60s are covered in floral prints or busy patterns? Understanding that less is more with patterns changes everything. When your blouse has too many flowers, colors, or competing elements, it drowns out your natural elegance. These busy patterns can make you look older and less sophisticated, no matter how expensive the fabric. The most stylish women choose blouses with subtle patterns or sophisticated prints. Think delicate florals on neutral backgrounds, classic stripes, or simple geometric patterns that enhance rather than overwhelm. You put on a blouse with a refined, small-scale print, and suddenly you look polished. Your blouse should complement you, not compete with you. When the pattern is too busy, people notice the shirt first. When it's perfectly chosen, they notice your elegance. Mistake number 4, choosing the wrong undergarments. Nobody wants to talk about this, but your undergarments can destroy even the most expensive outfit. Visible seams, wrong-sized bras, lumps and bumps under beautiful fabric. It's style sabotage. When you've got on a beautiful silk blouse and tailored trousers but your bra is creating weird lumps and bumps under the fabric, the whole look instantly goes from polished to problematic. The wrong bra can add years to your appearance and make even expensive clothes look cheap. Here's what works. Get professionally fitted at least once a year. Yes, our bodies change, and that's life. A proper fitting bra lifts everything, literally and figuratively. It creates smooth lines under your clothes and gives you that confident posture that screams elegance. Consider investing in different styles for different outfit types. A t-shirt bra for fitted tops, a minimizer for bulky sweaters. Invest in quality seamless bras in nude tones that disappear under your clothes. Look for brands that specialize in mature figures and offer features like wider straps for comfort and support. This isn't vanity. It's about feeling unstoppable in everything you wear. Mistake number 5, ignoring your neckline. This is where I see so many women go wrong. Crew necks and high necklines can be incredibly aging if they're hitting at the wrong spot on your neck and chest. The goal is to create length and elegance around your face and neck area. V-necks, scoop necks, and open collars are your friends. They draw the eye up and create a more youthful, elongated silhouette. It's not about showing skin for the sake of it. It's about creating beautiful lines that flatter your face and neck. A subtle V-neck under a blazer works beautifully. A soft scoop neck with a delicate necklace is pure elegance. If this is giving you that little spark of confidence, imagine what we can do together every week. Hit subscribe, and let's keep building that timeless, powerful wardrobe you totally deserve. Mistake number 6, choosing colors that wash you out. Are you aware this mistake instantly ages you? Wearing colors that drain the life from your face because they worked in your 30s or because they're safe. As we age, our coloring changes, and those colors that once made us glow might now make us look tired. So what do you need? Colors that bring light to your face and make your eyes sparkle. You try on a cream blouse instead of stark white, and suddenly people are complimenting your skin. Or you choose a soft sage green instead of harsh black, and everyone asks if you've been on vacation. Try this. Hold different colored tops up to your face in natural light. The right colors will make your skin clearer and your eyes brighter. Trust what you see in that mirror. Mistake number 7, dated styles that scream decades ago. This is the big one. It ages you by at least 10 years. Holding on to styles that were perfect in the past, but now make you look stuck in a time warp. I'm talking about shoulder-padded blazers, ruffled blouses with excessive details, or boxy shirts from the 1990s. Elegance isn't about age, it's about evolution. Your style should grow with you, not stay frozen in your best decade. Classic doesn't mean dated. A crisp white shirt will always be elegant, but the cut and proportions should reflect contemporary sophistication. Clean out your closet and replace that outdated blazer with a modern, streamlined version. Same color, same quality, but updated lines that make you look current rather than stuck in the past. People will notice you look different but won't know why. You'll just appear more polished. Mistake number 8, neglecting the power of a perfect white shirt. Let's talk about the piece elegant women never give up, the perfect white shirt. But most women choose one that's too casual, too formal, or completely wrong for their body type. This isn't just a wardrobe staple. It's your secret weapon for looking expensive on any budget. The right white shirt can be dressed up with silk trousers or dressed down with well-fitted jeans and a blazer. But it has to be the right white shirt. So, what is the right shirt? Look for proper collar construction, mother-of-pearl buttons, and tailoring that creates a clean silhouette. Substantial fabric that's not transparent but not masculine. Once you find your perfect white shirt, getting dressed becomes easier. It works with everything and gives you that effortless sophistication that screams expensive styling. Mistake number 9, not defining your waistline with proper styling. Hiding your waistline under loose, flowing tops makes you look shapeless and larger. Stop hiding. Start defining. The secret that elegant women know: define your waistline. Tuck that beautiful blouse into well-fitted trousers and add a quality belt that shows where your waist naturally falls. You're creating an hourglass silhouette that's universally flattering and instantly more polished. This simple styling trick creates structure and sophistication. Whether you do a full tuck, a half tuck, or a French tuck, showing some definition at your waist makes every outfit look more intentional and expensive. This styling technique costs nothing but transforms your entire silhouette. Mistake number 10. Not understanding your body's current proportions. This changed everything for me. Accepting that my proportions have changed and choosing tops that flatter the woman I am now, not the woman I was decades ago. I see women wearing styles that worked beautifully when they were younger, but now work against their current silhouette. Your body has earned every line, every curve, every change. The goal isn't to hide or disguise, it's to choose tops that celebrate your current proportions and make you feel confident and beautiful. Here is what you can do. Work with a good tailor or learn basic alterations. That blouse that's almost perfect. A button swap can transform it from okay to outstanding. This isn't just about fit, it's about honoring yourself with clothes tailored to who you are today. When you choose tops that work with your body as it is now, you radiate confidence and authenticity. And that's what true elegance looks like. You walk into any room wearing a perfectly fitted blouse in a color that makes your eyes shine, paired with a structured blazer that skims your silhouette beautifully, and people think, she always looks so put together. That's the power of avoiding these 10 mistakes and choosing tops that work for the elegant woman you are today. Elegance isn't about age. It's about intention, quality, and understanding what truly flatters you now. When you avoid these common mistakes, your tops become your secret weapon for looking expensive, sophisticated, and effortlessly chic, no matter your budget. So, which one of these mistakes can you fix easily? Let me know in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion insights designed specifically for confident women. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any style secrets. Until next time, take care, stay confident, and remember, style isn't an age, it's a mindset.